Hey everyone, this is Eric with Dent Aid. This is a 2012 Toyota Prius with quite a bit of hail damage across the roof. You can see as we pan back and forth, dents of multiple sizes just littering the roof. If your car or truck has been in a hailstorm, bring it to us. You don't have to take it to a body shop. We can repair all of these dents with paintless dent repair. That means no painting, no body filling, and no loss of value in your car. Give us a call, 828-217-2348 or CatawbaValleyDents.com.